is Cheryl coming to you from an island in Alaska, and I've got my beautiful rainforest. You can see all the moss hanging from the trees. It's an exceptional, beautiful place, and I just wanted to get on and chat with you a few minutes because I'm so excited that today is Sunday, January 3, and I made another $650. Woo! I mean, that's exciting when you get that first thing in the morning on a Sunday and a new year, right? A wonderful beginning of a new year, just January 3. So I hope you guys are having an amazing new year. I'm sure blessed and thankful, and wanted to get on and let you know that last year, the last half of last year, in 2020, I earned over $9,000. Now, the beginning of 2021, an epic new year, I've almost gotten to 10,000 now and moving on up, and expect great things for this new epic year and plan for great things, excited, and make it happen, right? Take action. Can't think it up and plan it if you don't take action, right, guys? So I encourage you to do that too, because it has changed everything. I have so many blessings in so many areas of my life that I would never go back. And it's really important to plan and make that choice to do something epic this year. 2021, brand new year, and anything's possible. And if you choose to do that, you should go after it. You really should. I'm just so blessed to be making a new income stream, and so many things in my personal life are better, and my business life, and just everything. It just spills over in everything when you start and plan to do epic things that people will tell you can't do. That even eggs me on. I'm telling you what, I'm ready to go. This is a brand new year. Last year went pretty good. I was really blessed and thankful. I know it's been a hard year, but 2021 is going to be an epic year. Absolutely. It's already started off on a good foot. $650 today I made, and that is so wonderful. I mean, I don't know, I can hardly come up with the right words because it blesses my life in every area, and I'm just so thankful. And it's not something hard or difficult or something impossible. It is a blueprint that if you just follow the blueprint like I did, be consistent, take action. Action means everything. No matter what plan you got, right? You got to take action. And if you don't do anything with it, it's never going to go anywhere. It's going to be a big zero, right? We don't want that. We don't want that for 2021. Absolutely not. So we have this incredible blueprint that you can follow. We have a team that are doing well. You'll be in the mix with all of us. And you can't beat that when you have all that support and all that blueprint that is proven, tried, and true, working right now for me and hundreds of others. So you can't go wrong with a blueprint like that. Honestly, I've been in programs that the training or the quote info they give you to get started is just old. It doesn't work. It's just not going to help you. And I'm so sick of that, aren't you? Just sick of trying one after the other. So this is a breath of fresh air, and I just wanted to tell you all about it because it's just such a relief to have something that works right off the beginning of this year. And I have lots of vacations planned, lots of time with family, lots of new income streams I'm going to add to the one I have, which is important. I always encourage people to have multi-income streams because it's smart, right? It's a very smart thing to do, and it covers you on so many levels, and it doubles your income and triples and quadruples your income depending on how many more income streams you have. That's where my 7-figure mentor has done so well, as she has the same thing, 4 or 5 good income streams that make her a 7-figure earner. And I'm headed down that path and so excited to be on it, right? To be making headway and headed towards that. And so thankful for my family and all that's going to be blessing. It blesses if you're doing amazing. Your kids, your family, your extended family, your friends, everybody is blessed, inspired by it because they would love to do that too. And that's what we want to do, right? We want to be a blessing to others. Very important. I want that so bad. I want to be able to bless others. So That's why I'm on the video, because I want to do that. I want you to have a wonderful 2021. But you got to make that choice today. You got to start now. You can't put it off, because you know what it's like when you say, oh, someday I'll do that. Well, someday never happens, and you never get there, and that's no good. No good for anyone. You want to go there. I'm trying to give you the good view of my forest, mossy trees in southeast Alaska. I mean, isn't that incredible? A rainforest in a very normally cool, cold climate, but it's incredible. Beauty is unbelievable. So I'm very blessed to be here on an island and enjoy the beauties that surround me, and be able to go out and be in front of this incredible rainforest that we have. It just blows my mind and just relaxes me, gives me peace, and everybody wants peace, to relax and have that time to do that in, you know, right? It's so important for your whole day. Really is. So I'm just so thankful I can do this. And I can share this with you. And I can be in the rainforest at the beginning of this year, this new year, 2021. So I hope that you have a wonderful 21, a wonderful day, and a blessed new year. And hope you make choices that are going to change it to even better and better, more than you've ever thought could happen. Because that's fun. That is so fun to be able to do that. So you have a wonderful day, and I appreciate you tuning in. And bye from an island in Alaska.